African wild dogs do not have an alpha leader because they hold democratic elections by sneezing. You would think a pack of predators relies on the biggest dog to make the rules, but instead of fighting for dominance, they gather in a circle to debate their next move. When a dog wants to hunt, it stands up and sneezes. If the pack agrees, they sneeze back. It is a literal voting system, but the number of sneezes required is not always equal. And it gets weirder. If a high-ranking dog starts the vote, it only takes 3 sneezes to trigger a hunt, but a lower-ranking dog needs 10 sneezes to win. One of the deadliest predators in Africa basically operates like a highly efficient parliamentary committee. Tag the friend who would lose a debate to a wild dog.